Hello, boys and girls. Halloween is coming. So, today's activity will be one you can do for Halloween. For this, we need a balloon and some ghost cutouts on tissue paper. See, like I have them here. And then I have stuck a little piece of scotch tape to the table so that they don't fly around and we can have these ghosts dancing. So first let's rub a balloon to create static electricity. So I'm rubbing it against my shirt. You can rub it on your hair or wherever you want, and then we will create static electricity. And then let's see if we can get our ghosts to dance. See? Oh, look at that. Our ghosts are dancing. Oh, wow. Wow, look at that. Our ghosts are dancing. Now, how did this happen? When one object is rubbed against the another, static electricity can be created. This is because the rubbing creates a negative charge that is carried by electrons. Similarly, when you rub a balloon on your head, it causes opposite static charge to build up both your hair on your hair and the balloon. Rub it once again and see if we can get it to dance again. Try this activity and at home and let me know how it turns out. Thank you for watching.